If you want to use air gestures on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find Accessibility and Convenience. Now, in here, we're gonna scroll down again, and this time we are looking for gestures and motions. And finally, we should be able to find air gestures in here. Now, of course, we can tap on Air Call Control, and we can turn it on. We can also see over here how these gestures work. So we have two options. We have the option to answer a call by holding our hand 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front screen, and we need to start with pointing our fingertips down, and then when the prompt appears we need to flick our hand up. You can also mute the call by showing your palm 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front camera. You can also tap on Learn Gestures in order to find out how to actually utilize them, so you can follow these instructions that you will see on this screen. So first we have answering the call. Let's see if it's gonna work. And we need to flick up. There we go. Great job. Sorry for covering it. I actually have trouble with showing you how to do it the other way around. And then we can also hold our hand to the front camera, I mean, and we need to just hold it for 1.5 seconds actually. And yeah. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.